Hi friends, today I'm showing you this nightlight star projector. These are good for the kids, help there in the sleeping and also act as a night lamp. You can see that this comes with one USB cable, like power cable, one projector and then manual. And then in this projector I will show that it have two different lamp shade. One is the dinosaur and one is the starry night, and also behave like you can use it as a night lamp. This have a battery option as well that I will show all these parts later on in this video, so just tune up. This is a 5-watt power cable, USB cable. So this is the battery option that I was discussing earlier. You can put 4 AAA batteries, that is not included in the package, but you can add them in. So once you have this battery inside, you don't need any power cable and you can use it anywhere you want. So there are two options, as a power cable and the battery option. So now 3 buttons, one on off button, one is for the different light modes, and there are total 9 light modes in this. And this is 2 lamp shades. So this one is the dinosaur one and the other one is the starry night one, and you can replace them. I will show you how. So this one are like the plastic ones, little delicate ones, so you have to be careful while twisting it and kind of taking it out like that. And there are LED lamps behind that actually the power source for the light. So the replacement I was discussed, it was small like tick, you have to take this out and then you can put the another one inside. This is the dinosaur one, so you can actually put it inside like easily, and as I said, like you need to be little careful because they are the delicate part. So you have to hook in actually into the each corner as the guide, and then it's pretty easy to use. So you have 2 lamp shades, and then if you put the cover on the top of it, it will behave like a night lamp. So different light modes, like primary they are like green, red, blue, and one the golden or the yellow shade. But then the combination can be total 9 different light patterns. So as I put the cover on it, it will act as a night lamp on the sides, and then it's easy to take it out. And as I said, these are the total 4 light colors that you can use it here. And there is a 360-degree rotation as well. So when you put the left hand side button, it will do a 360-degree rotation of the whole night lamp. So this time I'm showing you how this looks like. This is on the roof, and you can see all the different patterns and the lights. They are crisp shades and it looks really good on the side. So it will be fun for the kids, especially in the night. And as you can see, the night lamp mode, the different shades that looks. So this is the starry night projection. As you can see, the rockets and the stars. And this is the dinosaur projection with different dinosaurs. It's pretty fun and good. It's just a play fun food for the night.